Welcome to JH. In this guide, I will demonstrate how to set up a Google Meet appointment. Within the Google Meet interface, select New Meeting, and then choose the option to schedule in Google Calendar. Once the new tab opens, provide a title for your event. Next, define the timing for your session. For instance, you can set it for tomorrow from 8:15 to 9:15 a.m. You have the flexibility to make it an all-day event or configure it to repeat daily, weekly, or at any interval you prefer. You can also adjust the time zone here. To invite others, you can use the provided link or copy it for distribution. To include specific participants, enter their email addresses in the guest section. You can also manage your alerts, choosing between email or pop-up notifications set for 30 minutes, hours, or even days in advance. If necessary, include a location and pick a specific color to identify the meeting on your calendar. There are also options to include a description and link files directly from Google Drive. Finally, click Save. You will be asked whether to send invitation emails to your guests. Select Send to finalize. Now your meeting is successfully booked. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more tutorials.